1969 Chevy Camaro Z28 Rally Sport Edition. Beautiful car. Got a 302 in it. Nice yellow with stripes. Got long tube headers that were installed somewhere else. Then the mid pipes are installed somewhere else. And then what we did, put Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, 2 of them. It wants it deep with not a lot of raspiness. And then 2.5-inch pipe. There. Out the back. And on the other side, 2.5. Out the back. Right there. It came out really nice, really pretty. I'll let you guys hear them in a second. Much better. They're supposed to sound like. Sound decibels, give it gas. About 106. That's the sound decibel meter. It's at around 106. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up.
Oh, what's the comfort do?
106. At idle, it's 82.
What do you think it was for that?
It was like 80, 85, something like that.
What's the highest you ever seen?
122. We did one. It was 370Z.
Well, I just seen that thing in there. That's why I was asking if I needed a receipt.
Looks beautiful. 1969 Camaro. Absolutely beautiful car. Fully restored. If you guys want to buy it, let me know in the comments. He'll sell it for 52 grand. If you guys are interested. And if you don't sell it, he's gonna drive it. That's what he said. If somebody comes in, if they come at 52 grand, you sell it? If they got cash, okay. I'll put it on the interwebs. Fully restored.